The following model is of Formula One car. The entire assembly consists of a front wing, tuned mass damper, steering racks, steering rods, suspension struts, brake discs, brake cooling ducts, barge board, fuel tank, monocoque chassis with integrated driver seat and suspension, engine air intake channel, dynamic rear wing, rain brake lights, engine cover, V12 engine, radiator air intake channels, and lastly, rear diffuser. The chassis connects to the engine, which acts as a structural member of the chassis. A suspension access hatch in the nose of the chassis allows easy access to the suspension and steering components.